So hey guys, welcome back to new tech learn. So guys, if you are planning to start your own website, then the first thing you will need is your domain name. And in this video, if you are purchasing a domain name, then I will show you how to purchase cheap domain name and how can you set up everything. So you just have to watch this video very carefully. I will tell you about some websites from where you can buy the domain name. So don't skip this video. Let's start this video. I am Sachin and you're watching New Tech Learn channel. You can hit the like and subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Let's start this video and let's go to our PC screen. So guys, now I am on my PC screen and I have opened 4 websites for you, and this is the first one, hostinger.com, and one offer is now running. You can claim a free .in domain and you just have to search your domain name here. So you're watching like this is the Hostinger website and you have to type your domain name and you can get the domain and just have a look at these offers. Like if you are purchasing .in domain, then the price will be 435, and this is .online.com.xyz. You can select anyone whichever you want and it depends on the price. Like you can select according to the price. So let me type New Tech Learners here and you have to just click on this search button and it will process your request, and now you will get something like this. If the search domain is already purchased by someone, you will see something like this. Sorry, this domain is already taken. As you already know, newtechlearners.in is my website, so Hostinger is also showing like this domain is already taken. So no matter from where the owner of the website has purchased, you will see the same thing like this domain is already taken. So let me go to my website and you can check this website also. So this is my website, newtechlearners.in. So I have purchased that domain and the Hostinger website is also showing like this. Newtechlearners.in is not available, but you can check from more option like newtechlearners.online, and this is 75 rupees per year, and this is XYZ, this is also the same. And you can also check some more options like this is .link, .site, .website, .store. You can select whichever you want, but these are some alternative titles also. So you can select and then you just have to click on add to cart. Let me show you. But guys, before clicking on add to cart, you just have to log in or sign up to the hostinger.com. You can use your Google account or you can also connect it with your email ID, and then you have to search your domain name again, and it's loading, and let me show you. Then guys, after logging into the account of Hostinger, you have to click on add to cart option and it will verify the availability of your domain name, and then you have to like select the web hosting. You can also select the web hosting from here and you can also purchase the domain name only, but I will suggest you to take the domain and the hosting from the same provider. But guys, now I am only purchasing the domain name, so you just have to pay from here and then your domain name will be purchased automatically. And then you have to select the hosting also. You can also select from the same page or you can also use any other hosting provider. And then this is our second website, this is godaddy.com. You will see something like this. You just have to search your domain name here, whichever you want to purchase, and then you have to click on search button like this, and then it will show you something like this, and you just have to select one domain from here. Like this is newtechlearn.com and this is New Tech Learners, but this is different from my website. So guys, you just have to select from the available domain names, and you cannot purchase the newtechlearners.in as it is already purchased. So you just have to click on the add to cart button. But notice one thing, like newtechlearners.com is already taken, but it will show you something like this. Let me show you. So you are reading like this, newtechlearners.com is already taken, but they are providing you brokerage and the fees is like 8879, and they can provide you this domain name also, but they will charge you like 8879 and the domain fees also. And you just have to click on go to cart button and you will see something like this, full domain policy and other things. You can click on no thanks and then you have to pay. And you can also take the hosting also from GoDaddy, but you just, if you want to take the domain name only, you can select the domain only and then you have to click on this, and you will see something like promo code is applied and it will show you the billing details. Like if you are selecting 2 years, it will cost you this, and if you are selecting 1 year, then it will cost you something like this. So you just have to click on the plan and then you have to pay, and your domain will be purchased automatically. So guys, as you are noticing, like it is showing the charges for 2 years, and you can check whether what are the charges, and then you just have to click on this one and you can purchase like after paying the amount. And this is the third one, bluehost.com, and you just have to search like here, and let me search the same newtechlearners.com, and then I just have to click on the search button. and you will see something like this. You can also press enter and you will see something like the same newtechlearners.com is unavailable, and you can also check from the available result. But guys, one thing is definitely confirmed, that it will not provide you the same domain which anyone had already purchased. So you just have to select from the available options, and you're watching like .net, .org, .co and .store, .delivery. Many domain names are available, but you cannot purchase the same which anyone had already purchased. So you just have to click on the add to cart button and you will see something like this. And then you have to click on this proceed without 30-day trial, and you can also select the hosting, but I am not selecting the hosting. And then you have to enter the details like email address and the billing address, and then your domain will be perfectly purchased, and you just have to click on purchase now. And this is our next website, jolahost.com, and let me search the same here. And guys, let me tell you, like my domain name is already purchased from here, jolahost.com, and I have purchased my newtechlearners.in and some other domain names from the same website, jolahost.com. So I will explain more about this website in my upcoming videos, so you just have to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. And you're watching like many options are available here, and you just have to click on add to cart button like newtechlearners.xyz, and some other options are also available, and the price is available in front of the domain name. And you just have to click on add to cart whichever domain you want to purchase. Like let me show you, this is .org, this is my newtechlearners.com, and some other options. So you just have to click on add to cart button, and then you have to go to cart, and you have to check out, and then you can click on these options, like these are showing some protection and some other options. So you just have to ignore, and then you just have to enter your details like your billing address and something like this, and don't touch this, and you just have to click on continue. And then you'll be directed to this page, and you just have to check out, and you can also enter the promo code and something like this. And you can also select for 2 years or for 3 years, and you will see the total charges. So I hope like you have learned how to purchase the domain name, and you just have to check out. And I will meet with a new video, and I will tell you like how can you purchase the hosting and which hosting is best. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you have liked and subscribed the channel. I'll meet with a new video. Bye bye for now.